If you are manually cutting out the the ums, the awkward pauses in your videos, you're wasting hours because CapCut can remove them automatically through their transcription. Now let me show you how to do this. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your clip, you're going to put it on the timeline. Now, right now it is only currently available in desktop. Hopefully it does roll out to mobile, but right now desktop is the only way you can do this. So you're going to put this, your imported video, in your timeline. You're going to go up here to this little scissors with the paper, which means transcribe. Okay, so make sure you're clicked on the video. You're gonna see it is free to transcribe it. So I'm gonna click on this, and this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna process it, it's gonna upload it, recognize it, transcribe it. I actually like editing with the transcription better because I can go to bits and pieces of it, and then I can just either delete, I can add, I can make changes. Super simple, super easy to use. It reminds me of a couple other softwares as well. But now CapCut is integrating into theirs, which I am a big fan of. So you can see right here, there's already a lot of pauses because this was a rough video I did. You can see it says 7 seconds here, 5.9 seconds, 2.3. These are all the gaps of times in between, okay? So now how can I get rid of it? I can either go in there manually and click on this, which still would be faster than doing it by watching the video, or if I go up here to the top, it says remove filler words. This is what everyone's looking for, those filler words. How do we get rid of the uhs, the ums, the pauses, whatever, right? All I'm gonna do is click on this. It's gonna identify all of the filler words. So it just went through in literally a second and just picked out all the ones where I either repeated something, I paused, and I went through the whole entire video. So all I'm gonna do is click remove, and right now guys, it is currently free as you see up here, so take advantage of this now. I'm gonna hit remove. Right there, it just removed all of that for me, okay? So now what I can do, I can either just keep it as is, but you're gonna see there's still some areas like this one I didn't cut out, but if I wanna cut that out, like watch this 0.7 seconds, click on it, hit delete. Now that part's gone. This 0.6 seconds, click on it, delete. Now it's gone, okay? I also might retranscribe it so maybe it can find some more things, okay? So I'm gonna do it again. It did not find any other words, so now I can go and play it. So let's go from here.
Disney World family of 3 on a budget. Here's exactly what we spent. So first, we're gonna start with the airfare. Disney World family of 3.
Now the reason it cut back to that is because this was a rough video, so now it didn't edit the whole thing for me. All it did was take out the pauses and stuff and any ums, likes, any of that. So this actually was raw footage of me redoing this a million times. So you're gonna hear the same line like 100 times because I was trying to work on that intro hook. But this is the cool part of the editing process, right? So now with this transcription, right, I did all my filler words, which was the #1 thing I was trying to get rid of. But let's say I have all that repetition in here. I like reading the transcript because I don't have to watch the video. I can just look, Disney World family of 3 on a budget, Disney World family of 3 on a budget, Disney World family of 3. I'm gonna go to my last one because my last one was my best cut. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight over all of this, and then I'm gonna click delete. And now it just deletes it from my clip. And then I might go here, and now, see, I didn't like that part. So now what I can do is I can hit this again. Let's see if we can find any filler words. Oh, and look at this. I didn't even see this before. You can even go hesitations, repetition, pauses, the minimum pause duration. I can make it higher or lower. Let's do like 3 seconds and just see. I'm curious now. Oh, I didn't find any. Great. Okay, I'm gonna get that period out of there though. It just took out some time. Now, as you can see, it's not perfect because it did still have that hesitation in the middle and it won't let me delete that part of it, which is interesting. But all I would have to do is go to this clip, which I'm already on. And then if I zoomed in on it, I can just go to that part where I can see I messed up. Then I can trim it and then boom. Okay, but now the rest of it's pretty good.
Disney World family of 3 on a budget. Here's exactly what we spent. So first, we're gonna start with the airfare. We went through Allegiant, which is a little bit cheaper because
okay, so there it is. I got rid of the repetition. I got rid of the pauses, the fillers. I did it in maybe a minute of me explaining this, and that's with explaining it. And again, it's super quick and easy to use by just hitting that transcribe button and then hitting the word identifier. It's free, and also it helps you to look along with it, because if there's an area in it where you didn't realize you messed up or you didn't realize there was a long pause, it finds it for you. So I highly recommend using this when you are doing some editing so you don't miss anything during the editing process. And it's the click of a button, guys. It's super easy to use. Now, recently I've been breaking down all the different tools and features inside of CapCut. One of the most recent videos I've done is on the presets, where if you are spending a lot of time editing and you're always using the same fonts or the same text or the same captions, you can actually create a preset for that you can go back and use. So all you have to do is go to the preset, click on it, and you're there at whatever text that was that you saved. So that way you don't have to go searching through all the time and trying to find everything as far as the shadowing, the color, the this, the that. That takes more time to edit. This takes less time by just having that preset. So if you want to know how to do that and set that up, go ahead and check that video out over here, and I'll see you there.